Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch IPS touchscreen special for Subaru Forester XV Impreza Crosstrek 27 to 20 years. Okay, let me show unbox review. Let me open the box. Okay, let me take the header unit out. Okay, let me show the harness seat first. This special harness for Subaru Crosstrek XV Forester Impreza. Okay, this is power connector to back of header unit. Okay, you can check this connector, power and the speaker. Is power, speaker. Okay, this camera AUX, you can check. Okay, and this camera and camera input, you can check camera input. And this connector. Okay, that's all. This is for the harness, special harness for Subaru. Okay, it will come with this external microphone, this GPS antenna, this GPS, and the original USB. Is for original USB, and this aftermarket for camera input connect. This connect back of header unit. Okay, this AUX cable. This connect back of header unit. This video input and AUX input left and right. Okay, this cable for audio cable connect to back of header unit, and this subwoofer, this video out 1 and video out 2, this AUX out front and rear left and right. Okay, let me show the header unit. The radio antenna uses original. You can check this drama agent. This front header unit. You can check the side. Their kits. Okay, this back. Okay, this is left side. Okay, let me show back. This is power cable. This fuse, this connector, this GPS, this slot, this USB cable. There are two USB cable and the external microphone. This LAN cable. Okay, this other connection is this radio antenna using original USB. This Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, let me connect the head unit. Power 12 voltage. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Okay, you can check head units turn on. Okay, the system start up. Okay. Please take out this screen protector before using. Take out the screen protector before using. Okay, this brightness you can adjust brightness. Lamp press. This wallpaper, you can change wallpaper. This support leave wallpaper. Click OK. Okay, change the wallpaper. Okay. Very fast response. It's radio. Search the radio stations. This radio tuner you can check. Okay, this is volume and power. It's shut down and turn on. There is SD card slot. This radio, mute, navy, back, home button. It's built-in microphone. Okay, let me show the settings. All apps are here. You can check it. Built-in DSP, amplifier, easy connection for mirror-link. Support Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. You can check built-in Maps, Google Maps. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. Okay. Let me show the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. But motion you can check MCU volume, CPU, octa-core memory size 4GB. This model is PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, back, this back button. Okay, let me show the storage. You can check total 64GB, and car settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. It's a network and the internet. So also supports 4G. You need a 4G. This is personal LED settings. You can choose the red. This is green and blue, brown, orange. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, this driver settings you can set Google Maps. It also support Subaru with here and other navigation. Okay, there is driver settings. You can turn on watch video. It's reverse volume. Rear ruler track display is mirroring. It supports steering controls. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please let me know. Okay, thank you.